Hello everybody, I'm Brian Nessa from How to Automotive, and today this is a update video on a video I did about a week ago on this Volkswagen that was rear-ended and it had the body spliced back together. So I'm going to walk you through kind of what's going to happen with this vehicle, what happened to the owner of the vehicle, you know, what route she's going to take. So stay tuned for that. Okay, the backstory on this vehicle is she bought it at a salvage yard, or actually, yeah, a salvage yard, and it had a salvage title, and it was involved in a car accident in the front of the vehicle here. So this left front fender has been replaced, the bumper's been repainted, the headlight's been replaced, all this plastic here has all been replaced, and it had a salvage title for that. So it looks to be a pretty good repair. That was what the original salvage title was for, and what I could tell, they did a pretty good job putting it back together, you know, and I would consider driving this vehicle with this type of repairs. Now, the repairs on the back of the vehicle. So the back of the vehicle here has been spliced together with another vehicle here. This is due to a second car crash, and this is not reported under any of the Carfaxes or anything like that. Only the crash in the front, and as you can see, the horrible splicing, you know, all this stuff is just really bad. The exhaust is just highly modified, and, you know, routing through here, it's supposed to route over the top of the suspension, just route it through the top of the suspension. They got just rubber bushings mounted here, so when it hits here, it doesn't make this loud clanking noise. You can see the grind marks. This is the brake lines and stuff. This is all supposed to be secured into the little holders here. It's all just hanging there, rubbing, is ready to rub a hole in it. This is the park brake right here. It's kinked at a 90-degree angle right here. As you can see, there's all kinds of issues. The fuel lines, the EVAP lines have been spliced back together and in really bad shape. So basically, this was bought at an auction at a like a junkyard or a tow yard, and they claimed that they knew nothing about any of this damage on the back of the car. They had no idea that any of this was there. They never put it in the air, is what they told the lady, and they sold it to her at an auction as is. And so she went to the Bureau of Automotive Repair with the pictures and everything, and she said that the Bureau of Automotive Repair said that the lot where she bought it from did everything right. If they didn't know about it, there's nothing they can do, and they recommended that she does repairs right and puts it back out on the market and sells. She's actually going to try to contact a lawyer and see what they can say or do for her before she puts all this money in it. But if she can't get the lawyer to help her out and do anything legally, that's what she's going to do. She's going to do these repairs and just make it a much safer vehicle and then put it back on the market and resell it. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to resecure the lines. The EVAP lines here are broken. So this is a vent hose. This is the vent that goes from the tank up here over to the EVAP canister here. So we're going to replace that hose. And then we're going to repair this hose here. It goes from the EVAP canister all the way up to the engine. This is the purge line. So we're going to repair that line all the way up to the front. And then after that, we're going to replace some of the suspension parts to make it safe. Put on a new exhaust system, make it you know, back to stock, basically route it back through here. Secure the brake lines, and then she's going to have a body shop take care of some of this structural frame damage here and make sure that that's safe. So if you guys have any legal advice for this woman that owns this vehicle, what she can do with this, leave a comment below and I'll forward that information to her. You know, my expertise is fixing cars, not legal. So if you guys have any expertise in that area, please leave a comment below. I'm Brian Nessa from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.